Neil here from Our Clean. So today we're cleaning one of these pergolas, and you can see the amount of lichen and mold that's growing right throughout. We're cleaning this inside and out. So this is the before naturally, and I'll keep you posted with progress. I'll show you the underside just now. The underside of the pergolas, you can see just a lot of cobwebs and dirt and grime in general underneath here. Naturally there's plastic finishes ends on both ends, so we'll have to use hot water to clean that. And yeah, okay, we'll show you the results when we're finished. The completed results, absolutely fantastic, love it, looks like new. This is the beauty of products like this. When they're cleaned, they come up really well. We've also finished off with an external window clean on this property, and I'll show you what it looks like from the top side. So this is the top side here. So again, really good, really happy with the results. Most importantly, the customer is very happy. When we're working on these plastic sections, we had to be very careful. Good results. Here we go, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video.